One more car in the shop. That's 2014 Chevy Traverse, lower control arm. Customer hit a wall or something, busted up control arm. First we're gonna need some tools. You need 13, 16, 7/8, and 19. Get this going. Okay, so we have the control arm off the vehicle, but had to move this sway bar link to get this bolt out of here. So in that case, you have to get one more jack it up, other side of the car, and just release this sway bar link so you can have this sway bar free. Or you can get to this bolt right here in the back of it, because the sway bar sits right behind this bolt, so you can't get it all the way out. Easy work. Show you how to put the control arm back on the next step. That's the next step, getting the control arm back together and get this vehicle aligned, and we good to go. Okay, got newer control arm. This the old one, all busted. This bushing. So we're going ahead and change the whole control arm with the ball joint, because this one here, if you're gonna change the ball joint, you have to cut this off and change it, cut it off and drill it. Actually drill it. Good little bit of work. Get this off of there and put the new one. But we're gonna use a new control arm, so we got everything on here. So we're gonna get this installed and show you what it looks like. All right, this is the complete job. Everything's back together. Very easy. Y'all don't have to go to the mechanic to get it done. Y'all can do this at home if you have the tools. Very easy job. New control arm, new ball joints, bushing. Good to go. Just like and subscribe for more videos.